Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start with essentials and immediate fixes that often solve server errors. First, switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to rule out a network issue. Latency or captive portals cause failures. Make sure your device date and time are set to automatic, because mismatched time breaks secure connections. Once done, restart the phone to clear transient faults, then open the Play Store to see if the error persists before moving to deeper steps. Next, you tackle app-level causes by clearing cache and data for both Google Play Store and Google Play services. This removes corrupt temporary files that block server handshakes. Then confirm your Google account is syncing. Open Settings, Accounts, choose your account, and sync now, because authentication errors look like server failures. If issues remain, force stop both apps, reboot, and reinstall Play Store updates so you run a clean current client before testing downloads. For final remediation, address persistent network or account corruption. Reset network settings or toggle your APN and DNS. You can test with a mobile hotspot to isolate ISP issues. If authentication still fails, remove and re-add your Google account to refresh tokens. As a last resort, backup data and perform a factory reset. If problems continue, note the exact server error, try again during off-peak hours, and use that error text when contacting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.